Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to hear footsteps louder in PUBG PC. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Google Chrome and search Peace Equalizer and press enter. Select the first site, select the download option. It will be downloaded in these seconds. After Peace Equalizer downloads get done, just need to open up new tab and type Equalizer APO and press enter. Select the first site, select the download option. The same thing, it will be downloaded. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Double click on this equalizer APO and select the yes option and select next, agree and select next, install option. Select our audio device and then select OK. Select the OK option, select OK, select the finish option. And now double click on this piece setup and select yes. Select the install option, select the yes option, select OK option. It has been installed as you can see. Just to close it off here and open up the piece application. Select the yes option, select the full interface, select this auto EQ and in search you just need to search for your headphone that you use, headphone or earphone. In my case I am using HyperX. After selecting your headphone, you just need to select the use option. In my case, I am in the VMware to show you guys the tutorial video. In my PC, I already have this piece program. As you can see, the settings are already saved for PUBG PC. To show you guys, I am in the VMware. I am showing. So I can't select in here the option. So in headphones, you just need to select your headphone and select the use option. After clicking on use, and now you just need to check my video description for this two values guys. As you can see, aggressive and footstep focus values, and another one is balanced, competitive and safer for most hardware. First I recommend you to use the first one. If you feel louder, then use the second one. It will be so calm. In my case I'm using this one guys. This is for pro players that lots of people are using it. To change these values, you just need to just drag this tab to the top right here, same like this. Left and right. And now 31 hertz. The hertz you just need to change in frequencies. 31, 62, 125, 250, 500, 1000, 2000, 4000, 8000, 16,000 and 20,000. Now last two things are listed. To close that, you just need to select this minus symbol over here and it will be reduced as you can see. Again select the minus symbol and now the tabs are less for our values. In gain values, you just need to type this on right side: 0, 0, 12, 16, 20, 18, 14, 16, 18, 16, 12. And after changing these values in pre-amplifying, you just need to type like this in the picture: -6. Then check mark this prevent clipping. After check marking it, select this save option and name it as PUBG PC footsteps focus. Then you can select one of these icons listed. I'm gonna go with the light blue and then select the save option, and it will be saved in the left side. As you can see, here is the option to deactivate this all settings. So select the minus option. Whenever you want to play the PUBG PC game, you just need to open this piece application and make sure you selected on this list PUBG PC footsteps focus, and then select this click to activate piece option, and these settings will be activated right now. You can now open the PUBG PC and you can enjoy the game, guys. So these settings will work perfect. I'm using it. Footsteps are so much clear. For the people who feel like this setting is louder, go for this second option. As you can see here, you can find these settings in my description. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.